flex plates on, and I've discovered why I have a little bit of starter issues. Sorry. Here we go. Here's the drain, and then I sent it a little too hard. Fuck yeah! Alright, so I'm working on the extension for the transmission and trying to unplug some wires. And then we'll see what happens. Alright, so transmission cross member is off, so I can get that last stupid bolt for the transfer case. Here is my cross member. I have a new transfer case is gone. It's leaking. torch on. Victory! After struggling for a day and a bit, we got it out. Finally! Yeah! How far do we go now? New flex plates on, and I've discovered why I have a little bit of starter issues. There's a little bit of a crack right there. Oh dear. I guess that's today's job. Time to fix that. Alright, I got it cleaned up. You can definitely see it goes almost the whole way on one side. And then on the other side, it stops. Let's see if I can. So I'm gonna basically just grind this down a little bit and then put some weld in there and hope for the best. That's all I can do at this point. Alright, that's basically as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna weld her up, put some goop on her. Okay, again, my stuff already here. So in the back, we have a little welder. I'm just gonna heat the thing up and then put a little bead in. Hope for the best. I'm not a good welder, so I have a welder. It is what it is. You won't be able to see it very well. it all connected. I RTD'd and tightened the bolts, and now I've got to wait an hour. And we'll, all done. Little update. I'm just cutting these off, but I ran out of a cutting disc. So time to go get some. Victory! Alright, here's an update. Most of the parts are back in the vehicle. Flex plate is torqued. Starter is in. And then when I was just going through the stuff, the starter bolts were super messed up as well. So I went to the junkyard. That's where I got that stuff. And I got one bolt. 2 new bolts with hopefully some thread in them. Yeah, full thread. Alright, so front drive shaft is almost done. And we go over here. This is what's left to install. Cross member bolts. I think these are for the cross member as well. Yeah. They are. I got the elevated. Look. Nice. Rear drive shaft is in. And that means also the transfer case and the transmission and the flex plate and the starter are all nicely in. Next up is putting back the timing and putting the distributor back in, and then the intake, and then after, I'm just gonna get it running first, and then we'll put the snorkel on after. I think one thing at a time. But I'll deal with the front drive shaft while I'm figuring shit out. And then this is the new muffler. So we'll have starter fixed and the flex plate. Hopefully we'll fix the exhaust leaks. I changed some of the seals, so hopefully it won't have shittiness in the transmission. I don't know what else. I think I did a bunch of other things I can't even remember right now. Also been messing around with the snorkel. So just some eBay and Amazon parts, just an enclosed air filter. This is a 3-inch to a 3 1/4 inch adapter. And then I clearanced this out a little bit here. This used to go up there, so I just made a cut there. And then over here, it's kind of hard to tell, but I gave it some more clearancing. And then I have this rubber trim that I'm going to put in there, and hopefully that'll stop anything from rubbing around. Well, double checked and triple checked. Hopefully I did okay. Time to cut a hole. Alright, I cut a fucking hole in my car. I'm nuts. Resale value, goodbye. Yeah, it's on. Got it plumbed nice in there. Just gotta double check everything else. Should be good. Haha. Well, it's all back in. It's all, just need the battery. Add some fluids. I think I'm gonna just pop some wheels on. Try to start her up, and then if everything's good, then add the fluids. Just to see if it's she'll start. Yeah. So damn close. Alright, it is back on the ground. Cross member and the new transmission mount is all torqued in nice. Transfer case is torqued in. Fuck, I just want to start it at this point, just see what happens. Like, whatever. Let's see. Waiting for this stupid battery. Got my front drive shaft U-joint popped out. Got a new one in here. And yeah, hopefully this stupid battery's ready. Alright. Got the new U-joint in. Alright, one more thing to fix here. Got a little too hot, so I'm gonna have to replace that piece, and gonna put this protector over the whole thing. That should help. All right, round two. That sounds like the timing's off. I need to redo the timing. Okay, I've reset the timing. Reset the timing. Let's see if I can. Ay caramba! So we have the first one right there, and So there's a mark right there, and I didn't know about that. There's actually 2 marks on this crank, or whatever the fuck this is, damper. And so I lined up the wrong ones. So both are lined up. Let's hope they work. Here we go. Round 3. Fuck yeah! Okay, everything is done except the transfer case. Gotta fill her up. Here's the drain, and then I sent it a little too hard, so I gotta do something. I gotta go like this. And hope for the best. Got the little welder set up. Let's see what we can do. Something's not working here. Okay, this thing wasn't connected, so I had to connect this one in all the way. This one down here. Well, it's been a few days, and I finally got it. I finally got it! So here we go. This is that bolt I stripped out. I have a replacement ready to go. Just gonna clean her up. Just want to show you. Took me 6 different nuts. Took me 6 nuts to get this fucker. So here's my first one. Didn't even penetrate anything. Second time, I filled her up. Third time, bad welds, so I put it up a bit. Then I put it too much up,